from any screen. To delete a mobile from any screen, again, you can either select telephone on here, or onto the star, over to telephone, scroll to telephone, click to select, then you pull the selector back towards you. It gives you an extra menu, options and connect device. Onto connect device, you see Barry's iPhone 10 there, which is the one I want to delete. Scroll to that, click sideways, and you've got deauthorize. So when I say click sideways, if it's right hand drive, click towards the driver, and if it's left hand drive, click away. Deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize this device, Barry's iPhone 10? Yes. So either click across or just scroll, click yes. That's it, gone. I'll just knock that one off as well. So click to the right, deauthorize, select yes, click yes. That's gone. So we've got no phones in there.